I'm going to quickly show you how to install Java on Windows. First, search for Oracle Java and click on the first link from oracle.com. Then click on Download Java. Scroll down and select Windows from these options. Then click on the link for the x64 installer. Once it's done downloading, open the installer. Note down this folder directory for later. Once the installer is done, go to that file directory we noted down earlier, and then open the bin folder, then copy the folder location. Search for environment variables and click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables, double-click on Path. Click on New and paste in the folder location we copied earlier. Now let's check if we installed Java correctly. Open up CMD as administrator, then type Java / version and hit enter. And also type javac / version and hit enter. If you see version numbers like this, that means we've installed Java correctly.